Car number 1, 1973 Buick LeSabre Limited Sedan, $2,500, Upper Marlboro, Maryland. This classic black Buick LeSabre comes with an automatic transmission and has been driven 94,000 to 51 miles. It's a fantastic restoration project with a 455 engine that still runs, and the car is drivable. The seller is open to offers, so this could be a great deal if you're looking for a Buick with potential.
Car number 2,
1966 Pontiac Catalina, $2,600, Panama City, Florida. Looking for a car with character? This blue 1966 Pontiac Catalina might be what you need. It runs and drives, but needs a gas tank replacement. It's driven 89,768 miles and is priced affordably at $2,600, making it an appealing project car for any Pontiac enthusiast. Car number 3, 1978 Ford LTD2, $1,000, Washington, D.C. Here's a rare find for Ford lovers. This 1978 Ford LTD2 with 90,000 miles on it is being sold as is for $1,000. The seller mentions that the mechanics stopped working on it, but it's still worth the price, even without the engine or transmission. If you're looking for a solid project base, this might be the one. Car number 4, 1971 Mercury Monterey 400, $2,000, Denton, Texas. A big block 400 V8 powers this 1971 Mercury Monterey. It's not currently running, but turns over and shows promise. With no rust, only superficial surface rust on the roof, and most parts intact, this car is a solid project at $2,000. Just be aware, there's no title, but the seller provides a bill of sale. Car number 5, 1974 Ford Maverick Grabber, $2,000, Caledonia, Mississippi. This 1974 Ford Maverick is a project car needing a full restoration. It's priced at $2,000 and comes with a bill of sale. The seller is also open to trading for a small truck. If you're into restoring unique classics, this could be an ideal choice.
Car number 6, 1966 Ford Thunderbird, $1,500, Splendora, Texas.
This turquoise 1966 Ford Thunderbird with a 390 engine has been sitting since 1998. It's mainly for parts, but could be a restoration project if you're up for a challenge. The engine turns over, and many original parts, including the trim and dash, are in great condition. Car number 7, 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass, $2,000, Somerville, South Carolina. This 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass runs, drives, and stops, but has only been driven around the yard. It's running off a fuel bottle, making it a potential running project for a SoCal lowrider or a custom big wheel build. With a clear South Carolina title, this one could be a great investment at $2,000. Car number 8, 1976 Ford Maverick, 15 Port Huron, Michigan. This 1976 Ford Maverick has been sitting for a couple of years but ran and drove before being parked. It's a solid base for a restoration project, especially if you're looking for a budget-friendly classic priced at $1,500. Car number 9, 1965 Chevrolet Corsa Convertible, $2,600, Springfield, Missouri. Here's a 1965 Chevy Corsa Convertible with a turbocharged 4-speed manual transmission. It's in poor condition with rust issues and no title, but for $2,600, it could be a good buy if you're looking for a challenging restoration project. Car number 10, 1977 Chevrolet Camaro, $1,800, Belton, Texas. This 1977 Camaro is being sold without a motor or transmission, but it comes with a straight body and a 1978 front clip. It's a rolling project with a formatted bill of sale and is available for $1,800 or best offer. Delivery is also available, so it could be a great opportunity to get your hands on a classic Camaro.